could it be that artificial intelligence is not just an idea of the future, but an integral part of our present? Welcome to the year 2024, a pivotal chapter in the unfolding tale of AI. First on our exploration is the realm of enhanced efficiency and automation. Gone are the days when humans toiled over monotonous tasks. AI has stepped in, whisking away repetitive work and liberating human potential for more creative and strategic pursuits. But this isn't without its challenges, demanding workforce adaptation and robust retraining programs. AI isn't just replacing humans, it's working alongside us. Complex tasks in manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare are now the domain of AI-powered robots. They're improving efficiency, accuracy, and heralding the rise of collaborative robots that work hand in hand with humans. The transformative power of AI doesn't stop at the workplace. It's revolutionizing entire industries. In healthcare, AI is the new assistant, aiding doctors in analyzing medical images, predicting patient outcomes, and crafting personalized treatment plans. In transportation, while fully autonomous vehicles may still be a dream, advanced driver assistance systems are a reality, bringing us closer to a future of self-driving cars. But AI isn't just about big industries. It's shaping our everyday experiences, from product recommendations to tailored news feeds and virtual assistants. AI personalizes our interactions with technology, and it's not stopping there. Homes are becoming intelligent ecosystems, managing appliances, security, and comfort levels. Cities too are becoming smarter, using AI for everything from traffic management to optimizing resources and public safety. Yet, as AI becomes more enmeshed in our lives, it brings with it ethical considerations. Bias, privacy, and job displacement are serious concerns that demand open discussions and regulations. AI development and deployment must be responsible, respecting the rights and dignity of all individuals. As the nature of work changes, continuous learning and upskilling becomes the order of the day. Educational institutions and governments play a vital role in equipping individuals with the skills to thrive in an AI-powered world. 2024 brings us face to face with a future where AI is not just a concept but a powerful tool that augments human capabilities, improves efficiency, and drives innovation across life's many facets. Embracing this future demands a collaborative effort to ensure responsible development and equitable access to the benefits of AI for all. Welcome to the future, a future powered by artificial intelligence.